Using MPC Studio's Note Repeat is a fast and creative way to program hi-hats and snare rolls. Simply hold down Note Repeat and hold down the pad. You can now use the touch strip to jump between different time divisions to slow down and speed up Note Repeat. To use the latch mode, hold down Shift and Note Repeat, and you can now use Note Repeat without having to hold down the button. Now once you've found a pattern that you like, press overdub and record your idea. To learn more about MPC Studio, head over to the MPC Academy and watch more tutorials. See you next time.